Hey friends, I want to show you how to play the game that I made today. So this has wheels that spin, and you can see that when I spin it, they change. Notice that the vowels in the middle are red and the consonants on either side are blue. These are consonant, vowel, consonant words. And always the vowel is going to be short when it's in this pattern. Now, to play this game, what you do is you take your pointer and you spin right where it says spin, and then you read the word. Now, most of the time, it's going to be a nonsense word, a word that doesn't make sense. But sometimes you get lucky and you get a real word. If that happens, you get to raise your hands and kind of shake them around and go, woohoo, got a real word. All right, so like this one would be mig. So then you spin it again and you get bass. So that's how you do it. You take your pointer or your finger and you touch the letters and make the sounds as you do that. Let's do it one more time. This is so much fun. Oh, well, that one is N. Now remember, whenever you have an N or an M at the end of a word, right after vowel A specifically, the A sound will be just a little bit different because of that nasal sound that N and M make. Now this one would be han. The A doesn't say ah like you would expect it. It says an when it's with that N. It says am when it's with an M. All right, happy spinning, friends. Have a wonderful day. All right, hope you enjoy it. I sure did.